Hi everyone, it's Tycho from TensorPool here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to very quickly and easily spin up a machine on the TensorPool platform. So the first thing you're going to want to type in is TP cluster create, as you can see I've typed in right here. Then you're going to want to attach your SSH key. The next thing is you're going to set the type to, let's say I want to do 2 nodes of B200s. So we're going to do type 8x B200. And then if I want to do 2 nodes, I do -n, that's the parameter for nodes, and 2. Now, I can also name this. I can say, call it Tycho TensorPool. Now, once I click enter, it's going to start spinning up, and we'll touch base again when it's up and ready for us. Alrighty, I think our cluster is up and ready for us. So let's go check it out. To see all of our clusters available, all you have to do is type TP cluster list. So here, as you can see, we have our 2 B200 nodes up and ready for us, which is great. We also see information like the cluster ID, the instance ID, the name of the machines, the instance type, the B200s, the SSH username, which in this case will be TensorPool, and then of course our IPs and SSH ports. We also have your price per hour displayed here for us. Let's get this demo done quick so I don't burn a hole in my wallet here. So if I actually want to SSH in the machine, as you guys probably know, all you have to do is type SSH and then the SSH username, TensorPool, at, let's say I want to SSH into this machine. I can go like that. And now it's connected, as you can see. Now, what if I want to create an NFS volume to attach to a cluster? It's very easy to do this on TensorPool. First you do TP NFS create S. Let's say we want to make 500 gigabytes, not too big, 500. And then let's say, we don't have to name it, but let's just say we name it NFS test. So now it's creating this NFS block for you. And we'll cut back to when it's created. Now we can see that the NFS volume has been spun up to attach it. Well, it says right there how to attach it to a cluster. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. First, if we want to see all of our available NFS volumes, all you have to do is TP NFS list, similar to TP cluster list. And you can see there's our NFS volume. Now, if we want to attach it, we can take that cluster ID that we had earlier and add it to the end of this command right here. There you go. Now it's attaching to the cluster that we just created, which is really nice. Yep, and just like that, our NFS is attached to our instance. Now, let's say I'm done training my model and I'm sick of having my instances up and I want to spin everything down. First step is to detach the NFS from the cluster. I'm going to do TP NFS detach, then grab that storage ID and grab that cluster ID and click enter. And now our NFS is going to very, very quickly detach from our cluster. Great. Now that that's done, all I have to do is TP cluster destroy and TP NFS destroy. First, let's destroy our NFS volume. TP NFS destroy, copy and paste that again, and bang. Now that's all destroyed. And now to destroy our cluster. TP cluster destroy, grab that cluster ID, paste it, and bang, our cluster is destroyed. I hope that was a useful demo for just how easy it is to use the TensorPool platform. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on LinkedIn, Twitter, wherever really. We also have a Slack channel linked at our website, tensorpool.dev, so feel free to drop any questions there as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day.